All right. Here we have one. Oh dear. I'm filming you using your phone.
Where's the phone?
Well, you just threw it away. Carry on, you got a green light.
See what you're doing now?
I'm going to report you. Carry on. DU16YMG. What's going on here? You're not coming near me. Do I need to call the police? Probably not. He's gone. We keep an eye on him. So he turned down that road up there. Let's be prepared to go right out if we need to, and avoid any instigation. That's definitely going to the police now, Sunbeam. Attempted assault. I was well afraid of being hurt there. Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Oh. I caught him on his phone back there, so then he was chasing me.
Oh.
I'm that guy who catches.
Oh, you got it. That's good.
You alright?
Yeah, I saw it. I was like, wow.
He was not happy. I caught him.
I saw you. I was like, yes, you got away. I was like, oh my god, some people, man. Alright.
Thank you for checking on me. That's very kind of you. Have a great day.